Kurt Gödel proves something that the mathematical community has never quite recovered from. Any sufficiently powerful mathematical system, any system capable of doing serious arithmetic, contains truths that cannot be proven within that system. To prove them, you must step outside the system, but the system you step into has its own unprovable truths, and so on, without an end. Mathematics is permanently caught between completeness and consistency. It cannot have both. It imposes limitations on itself that it cannot resolve from within itself. That is not a minor technical footnote, it is a structural wound. If mathematics were a transparent window onto eternal Platonic truth, we would not expect it to have blind spots baked into its foundations, but it does. And those blind spots are provably, mathematically, irreducible. If our demon has a name, it is Mathematica, and it hides its vulnerabilities behind an allure of logical continuity, leading us always forward, always deeper, always away from the edges where the system breaks. The defense of mathematics usually runs like this. It is too useful to be wrong. Physics, cosmology, engineering, the precision is uncanny. If it were purely a human invention, we would expect it to fail more often. And this is a fair point. In certain domains, mathematics works with a reliability that borders on the miraculous. But in others, it is deeply, structurally inadequate. Consciousness resists it. Qualitative experience, the redness of red, the specific quality of grief cannot be captured in an equation. The emergence of meaning from matter has no agreed mathematical formulation. The things that matter most to the creature doing the mathematics are precisely the things mathematics cannot reach. And perhaps this isn't a coincidence. Perhaps it is the shape of the cage. Now consider the thought experiment the article arrived at, and I want you to stay with it because it goes somewhere genuinely strange. Reverse the first principles. Imagine a universe in which coherence indicates a wrong turn, in which anomaly and a chaos are prized. Pattern is a warning sign, and the less things make sense, the better. A kind of feverish postmodern Boltzmann brain. A hysteria-ridden god thrashing a paintbrush across an infinite canvas with no intention and no witness. Would it produce the same outcome? Almost certainly yes. The infinite monkey theorem guarantees it. Given sufficient time and sufficient chaos, recurrence emerges in